Hello guys, today we are going to make chicken meatballs curry. For that you need chicken meatballs, which I bought mine from IKEA, onions, chilies and garlic. Chop them all up, take a pan and add a little bit of oil, add all the chopped up ingredients in there and add a little bit of salt so it will make the browning of the onions really faster. Stir it until are browned up and cooked through. Now we are going to add masalas. So first of all, we're going to add some chili powder, some turmeric, some garam masala, some coriander powder, and stir them all in so that mixes really well with the onion, chili and garlic. You can add some extra oil if you needed to. Now we're going to add some dark soya sauce or any soya sauce you got at home. You can skip this step as well if you wanted to. I'm going to add about 3 spoons of them. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to stir them really well. Make sure everything is mixed up. So this is the hard part done, guys. Now just the easy part. Now we're going to add the chicken meatballs in there. I cut mine into 2, but you can skip that as well. You can just add the whole meatballs. But I really like my chicken meatballs to have all the masalas inside it as well. You can use any meatballs. It doesn't have to be chicken. I'm just using what I got at home. Stir really well so all the masalas are soaked into the meatballs. Remove the lid and mix it really well. That's it guys, we are done. Have a go at it and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.